Are you looking for the best pool table covers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pool table covers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, fitted Naugahyde cover for an Imperial pool billiard set. The Imperial Billiard, which ranks second on our list of pool table covers, has great features for protecting your billiard table. Get it now for the greatest security and stop worrying. Some of its benefits are listed below. At number 4, traditional accessory patio veranda oval or rectangle. The cover for this lists pool table as the finest. It stands out from most pool table covers because it has been designed to offer the best possible security for various pool tables. The following are some of its amazing qualities that you will get to experience when using it. At number 3, large duty fitted Leatherette billiard pool table cover from Boshen. Boshen, one of the finest pool table covers, provides ideal protection for your pool table and includes the following features. Added cotton lining is used in the creation. Because of its durability, it can be used for a long duration. The heavy leatherette has a wonderful appearance because, as its name implies, it is wrinkle-free and always looks smooth. Your pool table will be perfectly protected by the cover from spills and even direct harm. It is guaranteed in that it provides a warranty that can be either a complete refund or a guarantee on returns. At number 2, a fitted heavy-duty Naugahyde pool table cover. The majority of customers have praised this pool table cover in their evaluations and ratings because of its lovely color and leathery feel. The Naugahyde billiard table cover has the following characteristics. All 8-foot billiard tables will fit in it. The heavy-duty cover that is installed in it makes it very robust. You will receive the superior services you require as a result. It weighs 6.4 pounds and has dimensions of 100 by 56 by 8 inches. It is available in a wide range of colors, including black, brown, green, tan, and burgundy. Get the color of your choosing based on your personal preferences. At number 1, Imperial NCAA Billiard Pool Table Naugahyde cover, officially licensed. Your pool tables are manufactured with a Naugahyde cover, and this pool table cover is NCAA licensed. Get this cover for the ideal answer for your pool table to get the most out of it. Several of its attributes are listed below. Gives your pool table's playing surface the best possible protection, as well as extra protection for the side table aprons. This cover shields your billiard table from dust, spills, dirt, and animals that could harm it. High-quality Naugahyde, which will provide maximum protection even in harsh circumstances, ensures its durability. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.